Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can join a meeting in BlueJeans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in simple BlueJeans, and then just click here join meeting, right? And then what you need to do is like simple two things. You just enter here the meeting ID that the host of the meeting needs to give you, and then you just need to add a passcode if you have one. So, and then you just click join meeting, and that's it. Like, this is the whole thing about it. So when I go here, this is like the meeting URL, and this is my meeting ID, and this is the participant's code. So I would add the meeting ID, this number, and to participant's passcode, I would this number. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be happy to help you with anything. And yeah, have a great day and bye bye.